Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Monzo app, desperately trying to send money to a friend or family member, only to be met with a frustrating error message? It's a common experience that can leave you feeling confused and frustrated. In this video, we'll dive into the most common reasons why Monzo might be blocking your transactions and offer some solutions to get you back on track. Context: Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its simplicity and convenience. However, like any financial service, it has its limitations. Sometimes, Monzo may restrict your ability to send money due to various factors. Let's explore some of the most likely reasons. Reason 1: insufficient funds. The most obvious reason for a blocked transaction is a lack of funds in your account. Monzo won't allow you to send more money than you have. Solution: check your balance and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transaction. If you're unsure, you can always use the Monzo app to view your real-time balance. Reason 2: security concerns. Monzo takes security very seriously. If the system detects suspicious activity or unusual spending patterns, it may temporarily restrict your account to protect your funds. Solution: if you believe your account has been compromised, contact Monzo's customer support immediately. They can help you investigate the issue and restore your account's functionality. Reason 3: transaction limits. Monzo may have daily or monthly transaction limits in place to prevent fraud and maintain stability. Exceeding these limits can result in blocked transactions. Solution: check Monzo's terms and conditions to determine your specific transaction limits. If you need to make larger transactions, you may need to contact Monzo's customer support to request an increase. Reason 4: technical difficulties. Sometimes, technical glitches or system maintenance can cause temporary disruptions to Monzo's services. Solution: check Monzo's social media channels or website for any service updates or announcements. If there are known technical issues, wait a few hours and try again. Reason 5: account verification issues. If you haven't completed all the necessary verification steps, Monzo may restrict certain features, including sending money. Solution: log into your Monzo app and check if there are any outstanding verification requirements. Complete the necessary steps to fully activate your account. Additional tips: check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection before attempting to send money. Update your Monzo app. Outdated apps can sometimes cause issues. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Contact Monzo support. If you've tried all the above solutions and are still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and resolve any issues you may be facing. Conclusion: dealing with a blocked Monzo transaction can be frustrating, but by understanding the common reasons behind it and following the appropriate solutions, you can quickly get back to sending money seamlessly. Remember to always prioritize security and verify your account information to avoid future issues. Call to action: have you encountered any other issues with Monzo's money transfer feature? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Closing: with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.